Of all the harmful things that can happen to a logging machine in the woods, the greatest threat is fire. That threat can be reduced in several ways. First, the equipment operator can reduce it by improved cleaning of his machine to keep fuel out and maintaining the machine well. The manufacturer can reduce it by designing well to help the operator with those efforts. Lastly, an automatic fire suppression system allows us to protect that machine from those fires that cannot be prevented. The benefit of a fire suppression system is that if we stop fires small enough, everyone wins. The logger wins by predictable equipment replacement time and cost, less downtime for the crews involved with that machine, and a reputation for reliable service to his customers, as well as better insurance, cost, and availability. The equipment manufacturer and dealer win by a reputation for a reliable product, as well as accurate input information for design of the machine. If we stop a fire small, we can get very reliable information that accurately helps us determine what caused that fire, which can be used in design. The U.S. forest economy wins by improved productivity and the world competitiveness that brings us. The equipment operator wins because the safest way to fight any fire on a logging machine is with an automatic fire suppression system, much safer than a handheld fire extinguisher. From over 20 years of my experience in the Northeast on over 150 fires, I've learned that in 85% of fires on a fire suppression equipped machine, the machine is saved. In 2/3 of those cases, the fire is completely extinguished by the automatic system. In the remaining 1/3, the fire is suppressed to the point where it can be safely extinguished by a single handheld extinguisher. Fire suppression systems on logging equipment use one or two of three agents. Dry chemical is the historic agent. It works by interfering with the chemistry of the flames in a Class B fire and by covering and smothering the embers of a Class A fire. Liquid agent works by spraying a water-based cooling liquid directly on burning material or hot surfaces. Water mist works by fine droplets developed to maximize the heat absorption through steam conversion, expelling the oxygen and wetting the fuel to prevent rekindle. If I take a unit of water and heat it from outside temperature up to the boiling point, and then convert that to steam, the process of converting to steam absorbs 7 times as much heat as the heating it to the boiling point did. And in converting to steam, I also take 1 cubic inch of liquid water and convert it to a cubic foot of steam, which is what expels the oxygen from the seat of the fire. There are 2 protection schemes for automatic fire suppression systems. Local application discharges an extinguishing agent directly onto all points where a fire could start. Total flooding works by using the interior confinement of an enclosure to help distribute the agent to where it is best needed. Each type of system and protection scheme has its applicable best use and its advantages. Here at the American Loggers Insurance Program, we believe that over the coming years, water mist as a concept will likely develop an even better record of saves in forestry's enclosed engine and pump spaces. due to the wetting and cooling effects that are not possible with dry chemical, combined with improved steam conversion and agent distribution when compared with liquid streams. In the meantime, we recognize that machine manufacturers and others will use a variety of protection formats. Just make sure that whatever your system's format, it is UL or FM labeled for mobile equipment, and it is serviced every 6 months by a trained and well-equipped technician.